Hey there! If you're over 40 and your eyeliner completely vanishes or smudges into your eyelid folds just an hour after you apply it, let's fix that right now. Today I'm showing you a quick 3-minute breakdown of my signature seamless blend foundation trick paired with a hooded eyeliner technique that literally does not budge all day long. Grab your makeup bag, get comfortable, and let's get into it. Okay, first up, let's talk about the skin. Heavy layers of foundation are just going to settle into fine lines and textures. So for this seamless blend technique, the trick here is to only apply the foundation where you actually need the coverage, which is usually just the center of the face. Then you want to take a damp beauty sponge or a dense fluffy brush and blend it outwards towards the hairline until it completely melts away. We are not trying to hide our skin, we're just trying to even it out so that it looks completely natural and we have a seamless base. So before we touch the eyeliner, we have to prep our canvas, and I have very oily eyelids, and naturally our eyelids produce oil throughout the day, but for my hooded eyes, that oil acts like a makeup remover every single time I blink. So to fix this, I take a little bit of eyeshadow primer plus a little bit of translucent powder on a fluffy brush and gently dust it across the lid. This is going to create a completely dry barrier so that our eyeliner has something to actually lock onto. For the liner, I'm using my Rev Ant gel liner because once this formula sets, it stays put. So here's the secret trick for hooded eyes. You want to look straight into the mirror with your eyes completely relaxed, and please do not taunt your skin. Okay, you want to just follow the natural lift of your lower lash line and make a tiny dot where you want the wing to end. Then look down into a hand mirror and connect that dot to your upper lash line, and you're going to want to try to keep this line incredibly thin as you move it inward. Now, keeping that inner lid clean ensures that your eyes are going to look wide awake and bright and lifted. So to balance out this beautiful look, I'm taking the gray gel liner and I'm gliding this along the bottom waterline. And I feel like switching out a harsh black for a soft gray on the lower lash line is a total game changer for mature skin. And I'm also using it as a upper tight line. And I feel like this gives you a stunning sultry definition that opens up the eyes, but a much softer, more flattering finish that doesn't look too heavy or aging. And there you have it, a seamlessly lightweight base that looks like real skin and an eye look that is completely locked in. Hooded eye approved and beautifully defined. No smudging, no disappearing acts. By the way, I linked the exact gel liners in the description box below so you can find them easily. If you like this tutorial and you think it helped you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more real skin first beauty tips for mature skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.